Alright, good morning. This is what we got going on today. We're gonna be removing this sweet gum tree. Sweet gum tree, we have a lot of roots down there, and gumballs, they're being dangerous for everybody here. So we're gonna have to remove it today. And we have a ditch area on the, man, it's crazy here. We don't even have room for so we have a small gate on this side. We don't have a gate on this other side, or the equipment is up front, of course. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be dragging all of this brush and wood through here, through the ditch, which I was not expecting to have water today, but it is what it is. And so yeah, that's what we got going on. All right, let's do it. Let's do it to it. Get in there. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. Good job. Yeah. Man, this guy is lucky up there, huh? Look at this. Doesn't have to come down and rake any debris. Man, good job, good job. Good job, bro. Look at this. That's right, that's right. Look at this. Now we just gotta put the wood down and get it out of here. Yay. Oh man, we still have a few sticks up there, dude. Rake it, Bobby. I have to rake again. Oh man. Yeah, those four little ones are gonna come down here and be 10. And I'm gonna explode. Sorry, buddy. Yeah. Alright guys, we just got done. As you can see, it looks this place looks different for sure now. And alright, let's look at the cleanup. Cleanup looking good. We have some sawdust. Alright, let's get out of here.